Tired of your Apple Pay balance just sitting there? Let's get that money moving into your bank account in just a few simple steps. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. You'll find it on your home screen, or by searching for it in the app library. It's the one with the icon that looks like a credit card. Next, locate your Apple Cash card within the wallet. It displays your current Apple Cash balance right there. Tap on the Apple Cash card to proceed. Now, look for the three dots, sometimes called an ellipsis, in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap on those three dots. This opens up a menu with more options for your Apple Cash card. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Transfer to Bank. Tap on Transfer to Bank. This is where we'll initiate the process of moving your money. You'll now be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer. Use the keypad to type in the desired amount. You can transfer your entire balance, or just a portion of it. After entering the amount, tap Transfer. You will see an estimated time frame for when the transfer will be completed. It usually takes 13 business days for the money to appear in your bank account. You'll likely need to authenticate the transfer using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once authenticated, you will get a confirmation check mark indicating the transfer is now in progress. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Apple Pay to your bank account. Your updated Apple Cash balance will be displayed on your Apple Cash card. Now you can easily access and manage your funds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.